The American love affair with trees brought about the planting of millions of trees across the Great Plains for protection, food, lumber, and beauty. A view of the countryside shows thousands of miles of windbreaks which were planted all across the plains. Although many of these trees were initially planted to control the severe erosion of the dirty 30s, windbreaks have also provided increased snow harvest, helped keep snow off roads, provided habitat for wildlife, and protected homes and millions of acres of crops from extreme temperatures and winds. Decades have gone by and windbreaks have aged. Trees have died and benefits from these old windbreaks have declined. Many of the field windbreaks in northern plains states are in need of renovation, about half of which have declined to the point where they are currently ineffective. What are the reasons for this marked decline in windbreak quality? Grasses and other weeds compete with trees for precious moisture. Some trees were planted too close together, and others were poorly maintained. Some have been damaged by herbicides, insects, equipment, and livestock. Many of the trees planted 30 to 40 years ago were Siberian elm with a windbreak lifespan of about 40 years. Others were planted to American elm, many of which have been lost to Dutch elm disease over the last 30 years. These two examples demonstrate the need for planting a diversity of species which match the particular site conditions. That leaves us at the present time with fewer trees going in and more trees